Okay, so I just wanted to show you around inside the YouTube Supremacy course so you know exactly what you're going to get. So up here at the top, you can join the Facebook group, and this is where you're going to get help. If you have questions that maybe is not covered in here, you can ask, and they're always very responsive. Now down here, this is the initial course you're going to get for $12.95 in this section here under Building Authority YouTube Channels. And in here we go over an intro video, which is going to give you a little bit of background of information as well as show you some proof of how well the system works. And then you're going to learn, if you haven't already, how to set up a YouTube channel and to optimize it properly, the importance of building a niche-specific YouTube channel. And then this video here is really good. It's a video that explains the difference about showing your face on camera or not, and if it makes a difference in your affiliate sales. Now this one here is how YouTube ranks videos. You're going to learn exactly what YouTube wants and how the algorithm works, so you'll have a better understanding of exactly what you need to do to get your videos ranked at the top of YouTube. And then we're going to be covering some videos here, or some topics in these videos. It's going to show you how to build authority to your channel, which is going to result in your videos ranking much higher. We're going to talk about the importance of thumbnails. This video is very important, and it covers a lot of information that most people who does YouTube marketing does not realize, and that is that YouTube understands in depth exactly what your thumbnail is, and if it's not done properly, it can actually prevent your video from showing. And then we have a full video covering the video optimization, which is going to show you exactly what we do for the title, the description, and the tags and everything else to help get our video ranked at the top of YouTube and also show in Google. And then the last video in this section is about creating an IFTTT network, and this goes into detail and kind of explains how this service can be used to automatically syndicate your videos out to social networks, which will result in getting your videos viewed more by other people. It'll embed your video and also get you backlinks, which will help it to also rank better in Google. Now there's a couple of bonus videos. One is on creating videos on a budget. So this kind of goes over and shows you that you don't have to have high-tech equipment to do this. This is a neat video on how you can use Unicode to really make your text stand out on your video titles and your descriptions, and even in emails if you send emails. Now these other three topics are upsells. The first one is a series of 4 case studies. The first two, Robin Palmer is going to show you how he optimized and ranked 2 videos for high-ticket affiliate products and how he's made sales with them. And then the second 2 case studies are of products where I've done launch jacking, and we take you inside of our accounts and show you everything, including the commissions that we earned from these products. Next is creating affiliate videos. So if you are not too familiar with how affiliate marketing works with YouTube, this would be a great add-on for you to get. And currently there's 5 videos here. We are looking to expand that and even add more. But what this is going to include is going over details about ranking videos or affiliate videos by finding the right kinds of keywords, the right niches, the right topics by using Google Trends, and then also by understanding buyers' intent and knowing how people search before they buy, because that's where you want your videos to be at, is right there when they're searching for products right before they buy. This video is going to be talking about video keywords, and these are keywords you can use in your videos to help trigger it and rank better in Google. Solving problem videos is going to talk about a different way of promoting affiliate products that a lot of other marketers don't use and can open up a whole lot of new opportunities for you to promote many different kinds of affiliate products. Finding products to promote is a video that's going to talk about where you can find affiliate products to promote and the best way to go out and find these products that are going to have the least amount of competition. And YouTube Personas is a course that is going to teach you a strategy that I've been using for the past couple years on how to rank your own YouTube videos even faster by creating a ton of YouTube accounts and then using those YouTube accounts to watch, comment, like, subscribe, and all that to your original YouTube videos to help them to rank better. So that is the YouTube Supremacy course. We are going to keep this course updated, and we will be adding new videos to it over time.